The Bul means business, and it's the beef of the Handy lineup. The Bul can handle a whopping 2,500 pound capacity and offers you the option of loading from either end, making it the only choice for servicing your most colossal UTVs. With great airbag technology, the Bul can raise and lower lift with a max PSI of 120. With a maximum working height of 39 inches and 4 stopping points, you can pick the height that's best for your job. The Bul has dual safety bars for added protection. It's a simple yet heavy lifting machine that can handle anything from 2-seaters up to 6-seaters. 4 adjustable support bars allow any style, brand, and size of UTV with anti-skid rubber padding to give you peace of mind as you lift even the widest loads. Lifts UTVs and other side-by-sides while maneuvering easily with phenolic wheels that will not damage shop or garage floors with serviceable roller bearings. A sliding oil pan is mounted under the lift top that runs down the center of the table for easy mess-free oil draining. The tabletop boasts a 27-inch wide working surface and extends to 51 inches with the support arms fully extended. All parts are exposed on the machine for easy removal of any component that may need to be replaced. The framework is finished with a rugged textured black powder coat for added durability. Your lift looks good, conquering every job. Storage is a breeze with this compact unit, with a minimum height of 9.5 inches and weighing in at just 580 pounds. When you need a lift that's small in footprint but big in capacity, look no further than the Bul from Handy Industries. The Bul comes with a lifetime limited warranty and is proudly made in the USA. Born to work smarter and play harder. Handy.